am Mira Milos, a holistic nutrition and natural health counselor. Torontonian, 38 years old, and the mom of 2 children, 9 and 7 years old. We are a thriving family practicing Fruitarian diet, plant-based, high-carb, consisting mostly of fruit and vegetables. It allowed us to heal from our chronic conditions. But not only, we achieved higher energy, better mental clarity, and vibrant appearance. We live in a place of balance where there are no unhealthy cravings and no sense of deprivation. Quite the opposite. It's a magnificent world of abundance. We get to enjoy as much favorite and most delicious foods as we would care for, without compromise of nutrients, our appearance and energy levels. Over the years, I polished our diet and lifestyle to make it efficient, affordable, and of course enjoyable by any person or family willing to take responsibility for their health. I'm a single mom, so time is a very valuable asset. I complete all my grocery purchases within a single car ride a week and spend on the task as little as 2 hours. Okay, see you next week. I don't have the time, and otherwise I wouldn't want to spend hours in the kitchen. All our meals taste amazing, but are super quick to make. Of course, sometimes it's fun to create delicious, guilt-free party meals for those special occasions. It takes me 30 minutes in the morning to prepare breakfast and 3 lunch boxes, and another 30 minutes of food preparation in the afternoon. All the work is naturally appealing to my senses, such as peeling fruit or washing green vegetables. No frustration in the kitchen of crazy dishes or not knowing what to cook. My kids attend school and live an active social life with after-school classes, play dates, and birthday parties. Our diet is doable on the go and sufficient in calories and all the nutrients, and such delicious and appealing that my son and daughter actually became very popular at school and loved to explain about their diet to their friends. We live on a budget, and majority of families does, so making this lifestyle affordable is another important consideration. Our monthly food expenses sum up to less than 1,000 Canadian dollars a month for the 3 of us, being partially organic and selecting seasonal and less affected by chemicals food. Since the transition, we haven't required any medical assistance. Medications, no therapies, are part of our yearly checkups with our general practitioner. Health-wise, the 3 of us enjoy the following amazing benefits. Our energy is much higher than average, and the explanation is simple. Digestion takes up to 70% of our daily energy resources, leaving the remaining 30% to the rest of the processes, such as muscle movement, mental activity, healing, and so on. So making digestion easy and efficient on high water, high fiber content makes a huge difference. We maintain ideal weight effortlessly, and it helps with positive self-image. I was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis, an inflammatory disease of the colon, which is considered to be a life sentence by the modern medicine. My gut is cured now, and I enjoy full energy and excellent digestion without dependence on drugs or surgeries. We enjoy better protection from flu and viruses, as robust health also means better resistance to common acute diseases. Our skin is clean and healthy. My lifetime eczema and dryness went away. In addition, eating tropical fruit, we get the natural protection against excess sun radiation. I used to have allergic rhinitis so severe that weeks of productivity were lost each year, and no medication was able to stop constantly running nose, headaches, and itchy eyes. Changing the diet eliminated this condition. Perhaps one cannot attest for our strong bones without an X-ray scan, but healthy teeth and beautiful hair are just other aspects of maintaining nature-designed alkaline environment of our bodies. Strong body also promotes strong spirit and higher mental abilities. It's a natural prevention of depression. This diet has proved to positively affect my daughter's attention deficit problem. I invested my time in learning this lifestyle to have the certainty that I provide the best possible care for my family. Our health is a simple and logical outcome of our everyday choices and habits, and not a question of luck, genes, germs, doctors, and medications. I take the responsibility in and fear out of equation, and I teach my children this way of thinking from a young age.